Let's be real. Sometimes students just aren't interested in what we're teaching. So we need to figure out a way to make it engaging so that way they learn the content. Well, Genially is here to help. I love Genially for many reasons, but here are my top three. Number one, it allows you to gamify your content. So if you want to create a digital escape room, you can do that, or you can take a traditional board game and put a spin on that. It's all up to your imagination. Number two, they have templates for those types of things. So you don't have to create them from scratch. You can use what they have. And they keep things up to date with things that students might be interested in as well. And number three, it is interactive. Students are clicking around and exploring. They might click somewhere to get a little tooltip, which is just a little bit more information, or they might click to hear some audio, to hear music from around the world. The possibilities are endless. So let's take a look at a few of my examples. So here's our first example. Here we have a normal map, but what makes this fun is the students can click on the pins and get information. So here they could have clicked on the pin in New Orleans and see that Princess and the Frog takes place there. And here's a little video they can watch as well. All sorts of ways you can make geography fun. Now, this is probably my favorite Genially that I have made, other than the one I'm currently making. So here we have the start. And the students have to click on the map to go to different areas. We start with Shipwreck Shores. If you notice, we have a ghost pirate dancing back here. We're talking about equivalent fractions. I know that this is actually 14 thirds, but I want to show you what happens when I click on something incorrectly. I don't know if that came through, but the parrot says, yikes, try again, and you have to go back. So then they can click on the correct one. We've made it to the next section. We are going to Jellyfish Junction. In this one, the students have to solve this, but they have to move things around to find the correct answer. If they click on the incorrect one, again, it will take them to that parrot. However, if they click on the correct one, they go to the next one. So now we're on to the shark reef. This time you have to click to get clues to type in a code. So this time they have to do 6 times 1/2. Well, we know that 6 times 1 for the numerator would be 6 over 2 for the denominator, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now we're on our last one, the Sea of Doom. This one plays with layering. So you're going to read the question and then you move the mask to see what the options are. So for now, the number that you multiply would be a multiple. So I'm going to click there. Again, if you get the incorrect one, so I need to take you back to that bird and redirect you back to this page. And there we reach the end, and they can start again if they want. Again, I absolutely love Genially for its interactivity, the gamification, and the fact that they have templates that all you have to do is put your information in. I've included extra links in case you want to learn more, and feel free to stop by and ask me how I did what I did.